back to New York. It's time for a bit of a longer ride today. We're heading out of the city, over one of the bridges to New Jersey, and once again, getting some help from some local knowledge.
On a Friday.
It's not a bad view, is it?
Yeah, not terrible.
Kind of view that makes you appreciate being on a bike and not in a car.
Yeah.
So that's the GW bridge up top, and the one below is technically called the Martha Washington.
Right.
Oh, you know something you already did. I didn't even know that. Yeah, you're welcome. It was added like 40 years after the bridge was built.
Because there wasn't enough space on the bridge anymore.
Yeah,
they put one
getting
underneath.
crowded. Now we're gonna fucking add a third one at this point.
It's like that canyon with the different handlebars.
Yeah.
So this road is the River Road. You can jump onto it pretty much as soon as you cross the bridge from Manhattan to New Jersey. It is open to cars, but we've seen about 2. Nobody really uses it because it doesn't really get you anywhere. It's more of a leisure thing, which makes it perfect for cycling. There's a few lumpy climbs. One slightly bigger one at the end apparently, which I'm looking forward to. A few leaves and sticks on the road this time of year, but in the summer, silky smooth. You ready for New York's biggest climb, Daisy? It is New York's biggest climb.
Biggest climb.
It's probably not the biggest climb you've ever done. It's probably about the same size as one of the climbs in Richmond Park.
Big?
Yeah, look, you can see the top.
What?
She's dropped me, man! Those bikes look so good next to each other.
They do.
Yeah. Admiring the bars. Do you have like narrower bars for her, or are those yours?
Those are her bars, although I do ride pretty much the same width.
Narrow too. I like it.
Yeah, you got that like rises as well.
Yeah, the specialized hover bars.
Gives you a little bit extra.
Yeah, 1 millimeter down, it's back pain.
So we're at the top of this climb. Dude, what's the name of this climb? No one knows what it's called. There's a police station or a ranger station at the top. They have bike racks. It's just random.
It's a huge pit stop for cyclists along River Road and 9W.
Everyone
and
stops
9W
here, yeah.
is like 9W is the main cycling road in and out of New York.
Did you know if you vlog your food, your life isn't interesting enough to vlog?
I mean,
I'll vlog yours. You got the vegan option.
This is my salad.
He's bulking.
I'm bulking. Yeah, my bulking feast.
This is our turning point. Downhill all the way home, right? Easy. Yeah.
If you look at it backwards.
So the truth is, we're gonna go sort of a back route. Very quick, very steep, 14–15%, but like for a short amount of time, we get to skip a long hill.
Yeah.
And you get to see a pretty cool statue.
Oh man, great surface as well. Should have gone tubeless, mate.
Yeah,
He's got the
It tastes like a baby's ass. Give me the fucking
the most talcum tube ever.
Oh my god. It tastes like
it's like doing surgery
on a baby's butt cheek.
Should we help them or should we just stand here and watch?
I'm not gonna do anything.
Let's just stand here and watch. Nice steady cruise back into the town now. It was so nice of these guys to show us the way. I think trying to figure it out on our own would have been a pain in the arse. It's really nice to zone out and not have to stare at your Wahoo once in a while. And knowing all the little shortcuts like up to that statue, we just wouldn't have known otherwise. Also, check this out. No gloves today. So much warmer.
You don't care for it much, do you?
Cervelo? In general, I don't.
Why don't you like Cervelos?
So I really liked them when it was like the Cervelo test team doing like the documentary.
That was cool, wasn't it?
That was great. I don't know, I just generally bikes that like curve around the back wheel kind of bug me.
This is a bit more classic. Dogmas, Specialized.
Backwards forks.
Backwards fork, yeah. The new thing, backwards forks.
Yes.
Which is funny because Sagan would never be caught dead riding in LA.
What's the shop called?
Strictly bicycle.
Strictly Bikes. That just spins. Nice. So we got overtaken on the way back here by a guy with one leg on the flashiest bike I've seen in ages. Didn't he have one of these?
He also rides BMC Time Machine, and he like crushes 12,000 miles a year with one leg.
Half as many legs as us.
Yeah.
It's a CAD, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's the new CAD. They made it lighter by making the frame really compact.
Really light, and it's lefty fork.
This is like the opposite to Bike Fit James's shop.
Yes.
Look at all these. He's just got like a handful of F10s sitting around.
Look, it's like the F8. He can't move.
Do they sell? They must sell online. It's just a shop.
I don't.
Look at this.
That's like 20, 30 grand right there.
There's over $1 million worth of stuff
bikes in this room,
easy,
for sure.
Easy.
Yeah.
Doing a real fine job walking the bike.
Bike lanes. Absolute pleasure. Thank you so much.
Always.
Yeah, man, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Where would we be
Good
without
ride.
these guys? We're just doing laps of Central
You'd
Park.
be in
Oh, we'd
Central
still
Park,
be. We'd be on lap 62.
Yeah. It's been a pleasure. Very impressive to see Daisy push the big ring for 40 miles.
And that was the biggest mountain you've ever done.
Yeah. Biggest ride, biggest mountain.
45 miles.
Nice.
Smashed it. Right, beer?
Yeah.
Beer. Once again, welcome to the tourist portion of today's video. We are going this way to meet today's special guests. You might recognise him because he has tiny, tiny, tiny eyes. Hey, where are we going?
Need I say more?
Yeah, we got back from the ride and we were last
This is for you, Will.
That tree is nearly as good as when we decorated you as a Christmas tree.
Mate, nothing is as good as that.
So I've been told that this is the Christmas tree from Home Alone. I haven't seen Home Alone.
What?
I haven't seen Home Alone.
Mate.
Or Home Alone 2. Chris. Santa's not real. He saw me.
Chris has turned into a hipster.
What?
Chris has turned into a hipster.
Daisy doesn't care, she's just looking at her food.
Take it away,
Mac
she's just
and
not looking at
cheese.
Think it's bright enough that?
I can't see anything.
What? What's bright?
Unnecessary. T-Rex.
She's been awake for how long?
7 years.
Oh my god.
I know, it's impressive, isn't it? I would stay awake for a day and I look like I've aged about 10 years.
Does that make you the time traveler's wife?
When did we get married?
Chris the time traveler.
You've heard it here first, guys. The vlog exclusive. Can we go home and sleep? We did 50 miles today.
Well done, Daisy.
Daisy's the real hero.
High five, Daisy. Boom.
Bedtime.
This is not going well. We've got to get back to the ghetto.